audience. I'm still Olukolu Habib, YouTube Mokai City 19 YouTube founder. Mokai City 19 YouTube founder. I'm here to teach you how to convert your Word document into PDF file. This is how to go by it. You go to your Microsoft Word, you open your document, When you open your document, you click on the three dotted vertical lines, then you click on share as PDF file. When you share as PDF file, it automatically make sure you have an internet connection when you are doing this process. Then it will convert your document into PDF file. You can see it has converted it to PDF file, but you need to send it to another. You need to share it through your Bluetooth, or your email, or you can also share it through your WhatsApp contact, But this video, I will show you how to share it through your Gmail. Then you click on your Gmail. When you click on your Gmail, it will automatically attach the file to your Gmail. Then you send it to an email address. Then you click on send. So it has sent. You go to your Gmail address. You go to your Gmail account to search to receive your document. As you can see, this is it. Then you download it to your phone from there. File downloading, complete download. Then click on it. You have it as PDF file. This is your PDF file on your phone. So that is how to convert Microsoft Word to PDF file.